This is lesson 6 in geometry. And lesson 6 is on ordered pairs. Ordered pairs. If you look at the background, you probably can guess, hey, that looks very familiar. I see a battleship back there, and I see some numbers. And if you thought that, you are on the right track. Let's go to the next screen. And one of the things we want to look at here is what is called the x-axis on the bottom. I've kind of tried to highlight that with red there. I'm going to use my magic pen and see how that goes. The x-axis is on the bottom here, and when we talk about ordered pairs, we're looking at x comes before y. And take a look at the y-axis over here on the right-hand side, and draw with my magic pen again around the y-axis there. There's the y-axis, and we know that x comes before y. So when we talk about ordered pairs, we go starting at 0 always, and we go to the right first with the x-axis, and then after we've gotten there, then we go up on the y-axis. Well, we're going to change this display to dual page, and we'll try that again to see if that'll work. It's been kind of fussy this morning, so I'll use my computer here. Now I've got a dual page display. I'm going to go to another page here that says what animal is at 6, 2. Remember, you go on your x-axis first, and then you go to the y-axis. Starting at 0, go to the right, and then you go up. Well, if I start at 0, going back to the picture page, start at 0, go up to 6, and then go up to what animal is at 6, 2? Well, it's the tiger. Well, let's take a look at number 1, see if we can figure these out together. We're looking for the ordered pair 5, 3. Start at 0, go over 5, and up 3. Oh, and it looks like that is oranges, so I'll write that here on the line. Oranges. Then we go to 7, 5. Start at 0 again. 7 over 7, up 5. Oh, that's the truck. Number 3 is 2, 6. Oh, start at 0, go over 2, up 6. Oh, let's see, is it that big? Oh, no, I have to go up to 6. Oh, it's the turkey. The turkey is there. Number 4 is 1, 1. Oh, go over 1, up 1. That's the sandwiches. And then number 5, 3, 2, go over. Start at 0, go over 3, up 2, oh, alligator. You're probably beating me before I even get these written down. Number 6 is 6, 2. Oh, that's the one that we started with. And that is the tiger. 6, 2 is the tiger. Okay, well, that wasn't too difficult. Now, let's take a look at these other items that I've got displayed here. I've got the word boot and cardinal and oranges and bee. The boot, we have to give an ordered pair for the boot. Well, notice that the ordered pair given here comes with a parenthesis. There's a digit or a numeral that says 6. There's a comma, and then the other numeral, and then finally a parenthesis. So your answers will look just like that when you do the workbook page. But let's take a look at the boot. The boot is at 8, comma 1. The cardinal, I see the cardinal right there, and I go to the x-axis first. That's at 6 and 4. The ordered pair of numbers 6, 4. They're in an order. 6 comes first, and then 4, and there's a pair of them. They're ordered pairs. The oranges, oh, I think we've already talked about those guys. Let's see, they're at 5, 3. 5, comma 3. Oh, don't forget the parentheses that go around there so that we know that's an ordered pair. And then the B over here is at 2, 3. 2, comma 3. If I don't put the comma in there, it looks like 23, and that would be correct. Okay, we're going to go on to your assignment for today. And your assignment page looks like this. Let's go back to single page display. And we're looking at ordered pairs of numbers, and here again is some instructions or some information that tells us what it is that we've talked about. One of the things that's important is it says begin at 0, move to the right, and then up. And it's always that same way. We talked about the x-axis first, then let me make that look like an X, and then the y-axis. X to the right, Y up. Use the graph. Well, that's our graph right here. Here's our graph, and it says write the place for each ordered pair. Well, if we take a look at 6, 9, we're going to start at 0 and go, well, I shouldn't have blotted that out so much there. Start at 0, go over 6, and up 9. Oh, let's see, 6, 9. Oh, it says Fort Kent. So then very neatly, I write Fort Kent on that first line. I'll let you go ahead and finish that on your own. Number 1 through 15, you find the ordered pair and the item, and you write those neatly and precisely. Remember, in mathematics, we are trying for precision and neatness. And keep your words on the line and use a smaller, tight handwriting. If we look at the instructions now above number 16, it says write the ordered pair for each picture on the graph. Well, we have to find a picture of the mountain. Well, let's see what it looks like. Oh, it looks like that one right there. And there's a dot right in the center of that mountain, so a point right in the middle of that mountain, and it tells us that, oh, it's at 2. And oh, if you go up the y-axis, you'll see how far that is. Don't forget that you're going to be using parentheses when you write your answers. You know what? That is pretty big. I'm not going to make it. I'm going to start that again and erase that. And you certainly are encouraged to use your erasers on your pencils. Unfortunately, my markers selected is kind of large, but I'll try and do the best I can here. 2, and then a comma. I'll let you figure out the other number that goes with that one. Then, of course, you want to finish it off with another parentheses. So this is workbook page 16. If you need more information from your textbook, it's 314 and 315. And good luck with ordered pairs.